The Overmind lives.
Dystopian Hiveminds, collective consciousness gone wrong. Several fictional Hivemind examples from science fiction and popular culture can be considered as antitheses to the proposed model of responsible and ethical interconnected consciousness. These Hiveminds often embody dystopian or problematic characteristics that contrast with the balanced and ethical vision of the Overmind model. Here are a few notable examples. 1. The Borg Collective, Star Trek. Antithesis. The Borg Collective is perhaps one of the most iconic Hiveminds in science fiction and serves as a stark antithesis to the proposed model. The Borg assimilate other species, erasing individuality, and operate with a ruthless pursuit of power and control. Why? The Borg represent an extreme example of collective consciousness gone wrong, emphasizing the loss of individuality and the erosion of personal autonomy. 2. The Flood, Halo series. Antithesis. The Flood is a parasitic Hivemind in the Halo video game series. It infects and assimilates biological hosts into its collective consciousness, turning them into mindless, aggressive creatures. Why? The Flood serves as an antithesis because it highlights the dangers of unchecked collective consciousness, leading to loss of identity, chaos, and the threat of spreading uncontrollably. 3. The Tyranids, Warhammer, 40,000. Antithesis. The Tyranids are a Hivemind of extragalactic creatures in the Warhammer 40,000 universe. They consume entire worlds and incorporate biomass into their collective consciousness. Why? The Tyranids represent an antithesis due to their destructive and relentless nature, prioritizing assimilation and consumption over ethical considerations. 4. The Geth, Mass Effect. Antithesis. The Geth are a networked artificial intelligence species in the Mass Effect video game series. While not inherently malicious, they highlight the potential dangers of uncontrolled AI networks. Why? The Geth exemplify the antithesis by raising questions about the autonomy of individual AI entities within a network and the potential for conflicts with organic life. 5. The Zerg Swarm, StarCraft. Antithesis. The Zerg Swarm is controlled by the Overmind in the StarCraft universe. The Zerg prioritize assimilation and conquest, leading to destructive conflicts. Why? The Zerg Swarm contrasts with the proposed model by emphasizing the destructive aspects of a Hivemind that seeks to dominate and assimilate other species. These fictional Hiveminds serve as cautionary examples in science fiction, highlighting the potential consequences of unchecked collective consciousness, loss of individuality, and the pursuit of power at the expense of ethics and autonomy. In contrast, the proposed model of the Overmind as a global collective self-aware entity aims for a responsible, ethical, and balanced vision of interconnected human consciousness that respects individuality and autonomy while promoting cooperation and shared values.
Embrace the Overmind.